Happy morning, kids. I hope you all safe and fine at home. Today's value is cleanliness is next to godliness. We should keep ourselves clean and our surrounding clean. Okay? Today's topic is stay clean and healthy. If we are clean, we will be healthy. If we are clean, we will be healthy. I am going to sing a song. You first listen and sing with me. Okay? Early in the morning, after we wake up, there are the things we must do. Early in the morning, after we wake up, there are the things we must do. We wash our hands, rub, rub, rub. We wash our face, scrub, scrub, scrub. We wash our hands, rub, rub, rub. We wash our face, scrub, scrub, scrub. Making clean is also fun. Keeping clean is also fun. We brush our teeth up and down. We wash our body all around. We brush our teeth up and down. We wash our body all around. Clap for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this song. Today we are going to learn how to keep ourselves clean and healthy. Okay? Before that, we are doing some activities regularly in our home, and these are the things are used to stay us clean. Early morning, we will, after waking up, we will brush. Okay, we will brush, and this is used to keep our teeth clean. Brush and paste is used to keep our teeth clean. Next, after using toilets, we have to wash our hands with hand wash. This is used to help the germs keep away. Shampoo is used to keep the germs free from head. Soap is used to make our body clean. Comb is used to keep our hair neat and clean. These earbuds are used to keep our ear dirt clean. And these socks are used to keep the germs away from the floors. And this is nail cutter, and this is used to keep our nails neat and clean. Our nails will have so much of dirt. We have to cut our nails regularly and keep it neat and clean. Okay? After wake up, we use all these things and we keep ourselves clean. Okay, I am going to tell some of the steps that you must do in your home regularly after we wake up. After we wake up, we should brush our teeth. After we use toilet, after using toilet, we have to wash our hands with hand wash. Okay, after using toilet, we have to take bath in a shower. We have to apply soap and keep the germs away from us. Okay, after bathing, we have to wear hygienic and neat clothes. After wearing clothes, we have to take breakfast in on time. Before eating, we should wash our hands. After eating, we have to wash our hands. Very good. We have to eat breakfast in on time. After breakfast, we have to take lunch in the noon time. Before eating, what we have to do? Yes, we have to wash our hands before eating. And after eating, what we have to do? Yes, we have to wash our hands properly. After eating, in the evening time, it's our time. We will play. After playing, we will be full of dirt. We have to wash our hands, legs and face. Okay, we have to fresh up ourselves. We have to wash our hands in hand wash. After that, we will have dinner. Before having dinner, we have to wash our hand. After having dinner, we have to wash our hand. And this is must. Before, after eating and before going to sleep, you have to brush your teeth. You have to brush your teeth. And we have to go to bed and sleep for 8 to 9 hours a day. How many hours? 8 to 9 hours a day. What did you see here? We have to brush 2 times. We have to brush 2 times. Then only it is good for our health. We will be clean and healthy. Okay? I hope you will follow these steps in your daily life and you make yourself and your surrounding clean and healthy. Now, listen children, after wake up we have to brush our teeth. After that we will use toilet. After using toilet we have to use hand wash. After toilet we have to take shower. Shampoo is used to make our head clean. After we have to wear clean clothes and we have to have breakfast. Before eating and after eating we have to wash our hands. And after that we have to take lunch. Before lunch and after lunch we have to wash our hands. And we have to play in the evening. It's our time, right? Okay, after playing we will be full of dirt. We have to wash our hands. After washing we will have dinner. Before eating dinner and after eating dinner we have to wash our hands. And before going to bed we have to brush our teeth. We have to brush our teeth twice a day. And after that we will have nice sleep for 8 to 9 hours. I hope you will do all these steps. Now we are going to learn hand washing activities. We are going to learn what we are going to learn? Hand washing activities, shall we?
Children, now we are going to learn how to wash our hand. First, we have to rinse our hand in water. After our hands get wet, we have to apply hand wash. After applying hand wash, we have to first rub our palm and in between fingers and in between all the fingers and back side of our hand. Then in the wrist part. Then in the nails. We have to rub our nails also. After this we have to rinse in water. Then we have to dry up our hands with clean cloth. You should wash your hands in these steps. I hope you will do this. Children, now we are going to do unlearn hand washing activity. First, we have to rinse our hand. We have to rinse our hand, then tap. Then we have to apply hand wash. For hand wash, we have to apply hand wash. Then we have to rub. We have to rub our palm and in between the fingers. Then we have to rub here and back side of our hand and our wrist. Then we have to rinse these hand wash in our tap. We have to wet our. Finally, we have to dry our hand using clean cloth. See here, first we have to rinse our hand in tap, then we have to apply hand wash, then we have to rub our palm and in between the finger, back side of our hand and in the wrist part. Then we have to rinse in water. At last we have to dry with clean cloth. Thank you. Meet you in the next class.
Shall we sing the song again? Okay. Early in the morning, after we wake up, there are the things we must do. Early in the morning, after we wake up, there are the things we must do. We wash our hands, rub. We wash our face, scrub. We wash our hands, rub. We wash our face, scrub. Keeping clean is also fun. Making clean is also fun. We brush our teeth up and down. We wash our body all around. We brush our teeth up and down. We wash our body all around. Shall we sing one more time? Early in the morning, after we wake up, there are the things we must do. We wash our hands, rub. We wash our face, scrub. We wash our hands, rub. We wash our face, scrub. Making clean is also fun. Keeping clean is also fun. We brush our teeth up and down. We wash our body all around. We brush our teeth up and down. We wash our body all around. Super! I hope you enjoyed the song and you learned the hand washing activity. These are the steps you have to follow in your daily life. Next, for your home assignment, you have to complete the page number 14, 15 and 16 in your general awareness textbook.